Transform your indoor space into a vibrant green retreat with these eye-catching variegated plants. Featuring beautiful shades of green, cream, and yellow, they offer unique foliage patterns, decorative appeal, and year-round beauty, making them perfect choices for adding elegance and freshness to any living room or indoor garden. In today's video, we'll take a look at some amazing variegated indoor plants perfect for creating a vibrant indoor garden. Alocasia frydek variegated is a stunning tropical houseplant admired for its velvety dark green leaves highlighted by striking white veins and unique cream-white variegation. Each leaf displays a different pattern, making every plant one of a kind. Native to Southeast Asia, this rare Alocasia thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers consistently moist, well-draining soil. High humidity helps maintain its lush appearance and encourages healthy growth. Its dramatic foliage makes it a favorite among collectors and indoor plant enthusiasts. With proper care, Alocasia frydek variegated becomes an elegant centerpiece in any indoor plant collection. Philodendron burl marx albo variegata is a rare and highly sought-after tropical plant prized for its elongated leaves decorated with beautiful splashes of creamy white variegation. Named after renowned Brazilian landscape architect Roberto Burle Marx, this climbing philodendron combines elegance with easy care. It thrives in bright, indirect light, which helps maintain its vibrant variegated patterns. Well-draining soil and moderate watering support healthy growth, while occasional pruning encourages a fuller appearance. Its unique foliage and vigorous growth habit make it a standout addition to indoor plant collections, creating a lush and sophisticated tropical display. Monstera deliciosa albo variegata. It captivates plant lovers with its spectacular marbled foliage, where crisp white variegation contrasts beautifully against rich green leaves. As the plant matures, its iconic split leaves become larger and more dramatic, creating a striking tropical statement indoors. This rare variety grows best in bright, filtered light and appreciates a warm, humid environment. Because every leaf develops a unique variegation pattern, no two plants look exactly alike. Its combination of rarity, impressive size, and artistic foliage has made Monstera albo one of the most coveted houseplants among collectors worldwide. Syngonium albo variegata is a stunning arrowhead vine celebrated for its striking white and green variegated leaves. The plant's elegant foliage creates a fresh, tropical look that brightens any indoor space. Fast-growing and adaptable, it can be displayed as a climbing plant or allowed to trail gracefully from shelves and hanging baskets. Bright, indirect light helps maintain its beautiful variegation, while regular watering keeps it thriving. Each leaf develops its own unique pattern, adding to the plant's charm and collectability. With its graceful growth habit and eye-catching foliage, Syngonium albo variegata is a favorite among houseplant enthusiasts. Stromanth sanguinea triostar. It brings a burst of color and elegance to indoor spaces with its stunning blend of green, cream, and pink foliage. Unlike many houseplants that rely on flowers for visual appeal, Triostar impresses with its vibrant leaves that look almost hand-painted. The undersides of the leaves display rich pink tones, adding extra beauty from every angle. This tropical plant thrives in warm, humid conditions and bright indirect light. Its bold colors and graceful growth habit make it an eye-catching focal point in homes, offices, and indoor plant collections throughout the year. Enjoy pothos, or Epipremnum aureum enjoy, is a compact and attractive houseplant known for its crisp green leaves adorned with creamy white variegation. Its neatly patterned foliage gives it a clean, elegant appearance that stands out in any indoor setting. Easy to grow and highly adaptable, Enjoy pothos thrives in bright, indirect light and requires minimal maintenance. Its trailing vines make it ideal for hanging baskets, shelves, or decorative pots. The plant's beautiful variegation and manageable growth habit have made it a popular choice for both beginners and experienced plant enthusiasts seeking a stylish indoor accent. Tenanth Labertiana is a distinctive tropical houseplant admired for its naturally variegated foliage, featuring splashes of creamy yellow across vibrant green leaves. Unlike many variegated plants, its patterns appear almost brush-painted, giving each leaf a unique look. Native to Brazil's rainforests, this elegant plant adds a lush, exotic touch to indoor spaces. It thrives in bright, indirect light and enjoys consistently moist soil and higher humidity levels. Its graceful arching stems and colorful foliage make it an excellent choice for tabletops, plant stands, and indoor gardens, where it provides year-round beauty without relying on blooms. Goipertia leetzi White Fusion is a breathtaking foliage plant prized for its artistic blend of green, white, and silver patterns. The leaves appear as though they have been delicately painted with soft brushstrokes, while their undersides display attractive purple hues. This elegant tropical plant creates a sophisticated focal point in any indoor setting. It prefers bright, indirect light, high humidity, and consistently moist soil to maintain its vibrant appearance. Known for its striking beauty and unique coloration, White Fusion is highly sought after by houseplant collectors and makes a stunning addition to modern indoor plant displays. Philodendron Hedraceum Brazil is a vibrant and easy-care houseplant admired for its heart-shaped leaves streaked with shades of lime green and deep emerald. Inspired by the colors of the Brazilian flag, its striking foliage brings warmth and energy to indoor spaces. This fast-growing vine can trail elegantly from hanging baskets or climb supports to create a lush tropical display. It adapts well to typical indoor conditions and thrives in bright, indirect light. With its colorful foliage, vigorous growth, and low-maintenance nature, Philodendron Brazil is an excellent choice for both beginner and experienced plant enthusiasts. Song of India, or Dracena reflexa variegata, is a striking ornamental plant known for its narrow, arching leaves edged in bright golden yellow. Its colorful foliage creates a cheerful, tropical appearance that instantly enhances indoor spaces. Growing in a naturally upright and bushy form, this plant makes an excellent focal point for living rooms, offices, and entryways. It adapts well to indoor conditions and is valued for its durability and relatively low-maintenance nature. The vibrant contrast between its green centers and golden margins provides year-round visual interest, making Song of India a timeless favorite among indoor plant enthusiasts. Ceropegia woodii variegata, commonly called String of Hearts variegata, is a trailing succulent vine known for its delicate, heart-shaped leaves marked with green, cream, and soft pink variegation. It produces long, slender stems that cascade beautifully, making it ideal for hanging pots or elevated planters. This plant thrives in bright indirect light, which helps maintain strong variegation, and prefers well-draining soil with infrequent watering. Overwatering should be avoided as it stores moisture in its tubers. It is a low-maintenance indoor plant that grows steadily in warm conditions and adds a graceful, airy aesthetic to indoor spaces with its elegant trailing growth habit. Epipremnum aureum Marble Queen, commonly known as Marble Queen pothos, is a popular variegated indoor vine valued for its striking marbled leaves in creamy white and green tones. It grows as a trailing or climbing plant, making it ideal for hanging baskets, shelves, or moss poles. This plant thrives in bright, indirect light, which enhances its variegation, though it can tolerate lower light with slower growth. It prefers well-draining soil and moderate watering, allowing the top layer of soil to dry out between waterings. Easy to maintain and highly adaptable, it is a reliable indoor plant that adds a fresh, decorative, and elegant look to living spaces.